subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei is reported to launch two new devices under Enjoy series called Huawei Enjoy 20 and Enjoy 20s. Recently, a new Huawei phone was spotted on Chinese certification site Tina, which is believed to be the upcoming Enjoy 20s smartphone. The listing reveals the renders of the phone, including some key specifications. According to listing, the Huawei Enjoy 20s will support a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display with a hole punch at the top left corner that will house 16-megapixel selfie camera. On the rear, the phone appears to feature a vertically aligned triple camera setup, including LED flash at the top left corner. The AAA cameras will include 64-megapixel primary camera along with the 8-megapixel secondary and 2-megapixel third camera. Under the hood, the phone is listed to come powered by an unnamed octa-core 2 GHz processor, which is expected to be a part of MediaTek Dimensity 800 chipset. The smartphone will pack with 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 64, 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. And it will also support storage expansion up to 256 GB. As per the software, the handset will run on Android 10 and it will come equipped by 4200 mAh battery that is expected to support 22.5 watts fast charging. Additionally, the leak renders also suggest the phone to feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 170 by 78.5 by 8.9 mm and it will weight around 212 grams. Apart from this, there is no other details of Huawei Enjoy 20s has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Huawei Enjoy 20s smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.